Okay, good afternoon to everybody, to all the people that are a follower of this series of ELSA webinar. Today the webinar will be focusing on hernia. I think Dr. George Yang from Hong Kong, later on we will introduce you all the speaker, participant, and all the topics that we are going to move. This is a part of ELSA series of webinar. It's the number 9. We are going to have even more in the future. The next one will be advances in our surgical endoscopy, complication in anastomosis, hepatobiliary, how to make safer procedure, and so on. I think we will go and move on until a big event that we are planning in September. To keep update, please download the ELSA Society application, either on your Apple Store or on the Google Play. And all the video of the talk of today will be uploaded on YouTube, and you can follow us also on Facebook. As you know, ELSA have published the guideline for COVID, and we are in most of the country are in the recovery phase. You can find most of the information inside to restart a safer, minimally invasive surgery activity. This is the program of the next surgical endoscopy workshop. We have a top speaker, will be coordinated by Professor Philip Chu from Hong Kong, and we will have Professor Inoue, Anthony Teo from Hong Kong, and Professor G.V. Rao from India, and few more that are in the waiting. The big events that ELSA is organizing will be online conference. That will be the first experience of having a virtual Congress in September 11-12. So stay tuned. Will be a full virtual conference, including a full virtual exhibition with 16 symposium over 2 days, 7 lecture, invited lecture by guest speaker, and more activity will be online with some prize award, the ELSA Video Festival, and so on. So thank you for being with us, and let me introduce Dr. George Yang, that is a senior consultant expert in robotics